Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off personal hotspot or the Wi-Fi hotspot, maximize compatibility to allow all the devices to connect on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up at the bottom to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on settings. In the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on personal hotspot. Next, tap on maximize compatibility. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn it on. Now it says that with this feature, internet performance may be reduced for devices connected to your hotspot when turned on, because when you're turning this on, you will basically let all the devices use the old protocol to connect to your hotspot, and therefore with the older protocol, the connection will be slower. So to improve your connectivity, it is best if you switch maximize compatibility off, unless your friends or the other people trying to connect to your device is using a really old device. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.